If cash is king in the real world, then cryptocurrency rules the dark web. It's the fuel behind nearly every transaction, from marketplace deals to donations, from forums to freelance services. But not all crypto is created equal. Let's break down the two most important players, Bitcoin and Monero. First, why cryptocurrency? First, traditional payment systems, credit cards, bank transfers, even PayPal, are traceable. They rely on centralized servers, financial institutions, and legal names. In contrast, crypto offers decentralized peer-to-peer transfers with no middlemen and no banks. And on the dark web, that matters. Let's start with Bitcoin. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it's still the most recognized. It uses blockchain technology to create a public ledger of all transactions. That means every Bitcoin transaction is stored permanently and transparently on the blockchain. But here's the catch. Bitcoin is not anonymous. It's pseudonymous. Your name isn't shown, but your wallet address is. And with the right tools, those addresses can be traced, mapped, and linked to IPs or exchanges. That's why many marketplaces no longer accept Bitcoin as their primary currency. Enter Monero. Monero is a privacy coin, designed from the ground up for untraceable transactions. It uses advanced cryptographic techniques like ring signatures, stealth addresses, and confidential transactions. In simple terms, Monero hides who sent the money, who received it, how much was sent. Every Monero transaction is private by default, not optional like in Bitcoin. That makes Monero the go-to currency on the dark web. It's accepted on most major marketplaces, forums, and even whistleblowing platforms. Now, how do people use it? First, they buy Monero from a cryptocurrency exchange, often using Bitcoin as a bridge. Then they store it in a Monero wallet, ideally one that's open source and self-custodied. From there, they send funds using wallet apps, often through the Tor network or behind a VPN. Why the extra layers? Because even private currency is only as secure as the environment around it. If your device is compromised, so is your wallet. Some users even use mixing services, tools that blend your funds with others to further break the trail. But those can come with risk and are often illegal in some countries. So what should you take away from this? Crypto makes anonymous commerce possible, but only when used carefully. Bitcoin may be famous, but it's not private. Monero is the real privacy powerhouse and the currency that most dark web transactions rely on today. Just remember, it's not just what you use, it's how you use it.